What's going on, team? Hope you all having a great time. It's Raphael here from Genius Trading Team. I hope you all having a great day. This is from Tuesday to Tuesday. It's 736,000. But let me set it up so you can see what was going on last week. We made this was with yesterday, but let's take the Sunday, so it's just from Monday to Friday. Last week was $1.2 million, as you can see, guys. Now let's see what we did this month so far. So from the 1st of May to today, we made like nearly 2.7 million, guys. These are my running positions at the moment. I took some gold trades. Yeah, let's get it, guys. Let's talk about trades of last week. Yo, what's good? Last week was great. Now let's go over some charts. Let's start with oil. Oil was a trade I took. I was telling the team, if oil is crossing this level, then we have a nice breakout trade that we can take. So yeah, we go long. This is what we did. So we banked on oil. This was one good trade. And let's see what we did on gold. On gold, the weeks before we took a sell. We took a sell over here when the structure was breaking, and we were just waiting for the breakout of this wedge, or how you want to call it. Okay, so this wedge consolidation or whatever. And last week I was saying, all right, it looks like it's gonna break out to the upside. So if it breaks that level, we go long. Okay, so I was setting up some pending orders and just waited for the move. And as soon as it stopped, as soon as I saw some resistance, it was around in that area. I have closed that trade because it could have been just a fake out move, and then it goes the other way, you know. Because I was expecting that they want to fuck some buyers up, because the news told that gold will move up to 1,800, 1,900 and stuff like that. So I was not so sure if we can get a bigger move. So I was exiting early, but yeah, this thing could have been 3 times more profit, but yeah, whatever. We have to take what we get. And now look at that. I mean, it has break this level clearly. Now it came back. Now it's slowing down, and it looks like we can get another buy entry today, maybe in the next couple of minutes. I'm watching it at the moment, so I will be ready for the breakout. If it goes through, I'ma go long. All right, now let's talk about Dow Jones, US30. What we did here, we had this uptrend channel. Yeah, we took I think the week before we took some sell positions over here, some daily trades. You cannot see this on the bigger time frame. It was just break of structure, quick scalp, sell entries, like something like this. Just a simple easy day trades. And then we had this sell-off over here. On this sell-off I took 1 trade, 2 trade, and the 3rd one was going the other way. So I started to hedge as soon as I saw the structures clearly broken, and I had a lot of positions running, so I was hedging this trade. So I've gone long with more volume than my sell positions, because I was expecting, all right, if it doesn't drop like big time as I was expecting, I think we get a big move. But I got tricked, so I was hedging it going long, and I was just waiting for my long positions to break even with my sell positions, so that I don't lose my profits on the first 2 trades that I've won. And yeah, this is what I have closed yesterday with around, I think it was 20,000 $20,000 a $20,000 loss, but I took the loss because I was not patient enough. If I've closed it around in that area. If I would have waited just for the evening, I would have closed it with big profits, but you never know. And I was not in front of the charts. Yesterday was shopping day. I was around with my best friend and my girl. We were just spending some money for some cool clothes, you know. This is what I did yesterday, so I was not watching it. If I would have waited, yeah, of course we would have made more money. Same story on USDCAD. USDCAD last week, I got tricked on this move. Let me show you this move. I was thinking, all right, on the smaller time frame, the structure got broken. I was okay. Maybe we can get the run to the downside now. I was expecting the run to the downside because if you watch this thing on a bigger time frame, like look at this move. I mean, it is on the way down. That's for sure. So I was thinking, let's get in. I was too fast on that one, but yeah, you never know. This is the game. So yeah, I was selling it. Then selling it. And this was my this was the worst case scenario. So if the market would have break this level clearly, I would have closed the whole position, okay? But I didn't, because I was like, okay, let's go short again, because it is clearly a wedge formation, a consolidation where price is bouncing around, like bounce. You can see this, it is very easy to spot. So I was like, okay, if it doesn't break that level, let's go short again. And then I was just waiting. Okay, let's go short again. And then I've closed it yesterday early around that area on the way to the shopping mall, because I was like, okay, let's take the small profit for today. This position had a lot of risk. Okay, if I would have let it run, if I would have had the time to watch the chart and see if it breaks through clearly, if I would have been in front of the computer and watching the chart, I would have let it run with a trading stop. But I was on the phone, and managing like 20 positions on the phone is fucked up. So I was like, fuck it, close it, and yeah, be happy with the profit, and today's another day. Okay, so this is what I did. And yeah, and I think that was it. I was just trading USDCAD, US30, gold and oil. Now let's see what we do on gold today. Maybe we can get a nice buy entry. And on Dow, it looks like, look at that. I mean, we have this clear rejection over here on top of the move, and we have this clear rejection, and we had the clear break of the trend. I think this is kind of a stop hunt, because I don't know, man, the economy is not so stable at the moment, especially in the US. They have some problems, so I think maybe they want to trick some buyers here, and then they come with a bigger sell-off. We don't know. We have to get in on the move, but it looks like it's coming down. If you see this, like, look at that. I mean, see this stop hunt, boom, break of structure. Now on the day, from the daily perspective, we could go in if it keeps moving, you know, like get in, sell, and see what we can do. Yeah, let's see what we can do, guys. I hope this video was helpful, and I wish you a great day. Have a profitable trading week, and if you're not in the inner circle yet, then get in, guys, get in. You won't regret it. Peace out. I wish you a great day.